Hey there, Caitlin here, SnapEd Nutrition Educator in Waldo County, Maine. Today we're making a fun fruit salad. So you can use any fruits that you want. I just had an apple and some other traditional continental fruits around my house. The dressing that we're going to make for it is really great on melon or tropical fruit or a mix of berries. You can make it your own for sure. So I just cut up an apple nice and small. I wanted to make sure that you could get a little bit of everything in each bite. I had a banana, and you'll see when we get to the dressing we don't really have to worry about it browning because we'll add some citrus to it. Slice that up, add it to the bowl. Then I had Cara orange. These are some of my favorite oranges. They're so sweet and bright and vibrant, and I love the color, the corally salmon kind of pinky orange color. So I just cut off the outsides, cut it into chunks so that I got it's not really a core, but the middle part, the stringy bit out, and then I sliced it into rough size pieces so that they were about the same size as the banana slices. The citrus from the orange will help prevent the apples and the bananas from browning, but just to be safe, we're going to add some lime juice. Now this dressing is so good on any kind of fruit, for real. Lime juice, some agave, you could use honey, you could just use regular granular sugar, whatever you'd like. And then I'm going to take a bunch of mint leaves, roll them up, and chiffonade them. That means just cutting them into little ribbons. By rolling them and then slicing it really thin, you'll get these beautiful little mint ribbons. They spread well across the salad and they mix in with everything really nicely. Mix up the dressing and just add it, pour it onto the fruit. I really love this dressing on a mix of different melons. Like I said, it's really good on berries. It's great for any fruit salad, and it helps it stay a little fresher a little longer. So there you go. Be creative. Use whatever fruits you like. Thank you so much for watching. Please take a minute to subscribe. It really helps us out. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Have fun with it. And as always, head to mainsnaped.org for more. And while you're there, if you'd like to sign up for text to help you shop, cook, and eat healthy on a budget, check out the link in the description box below. Thanks!